Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today is the pumpkin patch tea party. So I have a double layer runner, color on the bottom and white on the top. So guys, I'm going to be going with black and white. And guys, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Deborah Cabasta Home Living. Guys, I'm going to be going black and white, so I'm going to be using these placemats that I have here from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then we're going to be using black chargers from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using black and white plates, a vintage style plate, and a gathered together Dollar Tree plate. Guys, you could say that this is Mackenzie channel inspired, Buffalo check inspired. So here goes the other one. Guys, I want to thank to all of those that uploaded a video for this collaboration. And if you have any problem uploading your video to the playlist, I will gladly do it. So guys, I'm also going to be using black and clister flute and the same in the clear and black bottom flute. Okay, guys, this is my second video trying to record this video. The first one disappeared. I couldn't find it anywhere. All right, guys, so we are going to be setting teacups. I will be adding it right. Actually, let me go over here. Okay, and here is the second setting. I'm not using napkin rings. What I'm doing is I'm using the teacup herself through the handle, and I am looping my napkin like so and placing it right there. Okay, let's add the cuddling. Since I already did it once, so I know how to just place it. I really don't know. I went to look for my video and my Chrome crashed, and that's what helps you record your videos. So there you have it. And my little spoon on top of my teacup, and of course the teacup upside down until you are ready to consume your tea. And as you guys can see, I'm doing a tea party for two. All right, guys. So now, let's set where I'm going to place my teapot. I'm using, first I want to set this here and this there. We will continue with, oh, there's something that I can find. Where'd it go? Oh, wow. Oh, here it is. My teapot, I DIY this a while back. So I will be placing this here. And I will be using my DIY tea kettle that I DIY a long time ago. So I will be placing that there. Okay. And want to add my full teapot right here on the bottom. We're gonna balance this. There you have it. Okay. I also want to use my little box to place right here on the center. And since this is a pumpkin patch, I'm going to set my candles first, and then I will place my the rest of my items to figure it out, where do I want it. I hope you guys are doing okay. We are doing great over here. I also want to add my white candle holders. I will be placing this one over here. Actually, I want to this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. Okay. And I want to add my little apothecary jar is called, I believe. I can barely pronounce that. I want to place that there. Now, so this is the pumpkin patch. Let's add some pumpkin. I will add this one there. And this one right over here. And my amber pumpkins right here. These are glass. And also, to bring color to the center of the table, I'm going to be adding this one right here and this one right over here. And of course, I will be also adding this one from the Dollar Tree. Well, they are all from the Dollar Tree, and the glass ones, the amber ones, are thrifted. Long time ago, I believe from the Goodwill or Savor thrift store. Okay. I will add this little 2 pumpkins right here. And also I want to add my Vantage cream and sugar containers right here. And we cannot have a tea party without goodies, so let me get my tray. I will be placing my little tier tray here. My hands are clean, guys. And these are home-baked cookies that I bake for quick and easy meals. Guys, I want to mention, check out the Grace Life DIY community tab for the calendar of the month. There are so many beautiful collaborations coming up. And you don't want to miss it, guys. You do not want to miss it. I also want to add some ginger snaps. I love ginger snap, guys. This is the time of the season for them. So there you have it. And also we're gonna go with English breakfast tea. Right here. Like so. And now let's add our flower arrangement. Which is not too big, it's just right. So I think there's my tea party, and now we gotta get some water for our tea. Get some hot water. Like I said, I hope you guys are doing good. We are doing great over here. And I have my hot water. I have this setting on the faucet, very, very hot. So guys, I hope you like what I put together for you guys. Like I said, this is the second time trying to record this video, and hopefully we will not have any problem. So guys, you know what time it is. It's time to light up the candles and show you all the way around. And I will light up all the little lights that I have incorporated. I also had this little light from the Dollar Tree, which I am going to lit up to place right here. I'm also going to turn on my fairy lights here. And guys, I want you to have a seat. Join me for some tea and cookies. So, let me serve myself a cup of tea before I show you around, so I could just sit there and get all that goodness flavor. So, yeah, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but I will bring this over here. Guys, I think this is it. Let me bring you guys down and show you from close. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time to turn off the light and show you all the way around. All right, guys. All right, guys, are you ready? Here is my pumpkin patch tea party. I hope you like what I put together for you. Here are my cookies that I baked. All right. Here is my beautiful flower arrangement. And I have a pick with some little pumpkins in it. And I also have a pumpkin, a big pumpkin from the Dollar Tree in there. There is my place setting, the gather plate, the vantage style plate, my DIY plate, and my charger from the Dollar Tree. The big plates were thrifted and DIY by myself. The vantage style plate was thrifted also, and this is from the Dollar Tree. My napkin are thrifted. The utensils, I believe, are from Walmart. My teacup and plate were thrifted. My glass to drink are thrifted. My tier tray is thrifted. The black and white vase, it was a trash to treasure that I did. And so is my DIY tea kettle. My teapot is thrifted, as well as my cream and sugar. So guys, I hope you, in my apothecary jar is also thrifted. My amber pumpkins are thrifted as well. Here is my big pumpkin and my flower arrangement, as you guys can see right here. So guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, guys.